Welcome to Phonics Unit 31, Day 3. We're going to begin by reading our new book, I Know, by Mickey Duranko. Please, as you are listening to me read this book, notice some words that have silent consonants in them. I know. This is a dress-up party. I will win a prize if I know who each one is. First, I spy a fat mouse with long whiskers. She is gnashing her teeth. I know who that is. Then I spy a knight with a sword. I call out, "It is Tom!" The knight holds up his thumb. I climb the stairs. I see a princess with a bow on her wrist. I think it is Sally. Wrong, say the kids near me. I spy a plumber with his tools. He has a big wrench. I think I know who that is. I think it is Ted. I spy a witch with a knobby nose and red hair. The witch looks like a wreck. The hair is a sign that it is Jen. I knew the mouse, the knight, the witch, and the plumber. I did not know the princess. I did not win, but I had fun. So here were some silent letters that were in our story. New, thumb, sword, wrist, knobby, wreck, climb, and gnashing. There were also a few sight words in the book. One, the, and who. We're going to sound out some of our words today. Here we go, arms up. Okay, sound out this word with me, starting with a blend. Cool. Climb. Has a silent B right here. It's also unusual that the I is long. Knock, like knock on the door, has a silent K in the beginning. All right, next words. D, e, t. Debt. Debt is when you owe somebody something. It has a silent B. And our last word, wreath. And a wreath is usually a circle shape, and it is usually hung on a window or a front door. A lot of times we see them at Christmas time. I have a wreath on my front door to celebrate spring. And the word wreath has a silent W. Today, you can either do an episode of Head Sprout or you can go to Spelling City. I have the link in the lesson plans, and we're on Unit 31.